Supra in the back?
Dude, is this a Supra?
Wow! Is that a Supra?
Dude, is it a Supra?
We have a Supra.
Dude, is this a Supra?
I need an explanation. Okay, so...
Alrighty boys, so it is in fact a Supra, if you haven't noticed. So we have a Turbo LS Supra built by Petrie Performance on this YouTube channel. So 278 subscribers as of this video, so go check them out. Also has this C10, and the time slips between the C10 and my Ranger are almost identical. They both went 11.0 at 124, but we're just going to talk about the Supra today. So he ended up finding the car as a roller. It's very, very good condition, as you can see. I think it has new paint on it. He didn't want to modify anything like permanently, so ended up using GTO engine mounts and flipped the mounts and was able to get everything to slide in there pretty nicely. So started with a Gen 3.553. So it has the Gen 4 rods, put some different pistons on it, left a little note inside there, and got everything freshened up. Gapped the rings, cleaned everything up, new bearings, has a Sloppy Stage 2 regrind cam in it, and Riverdale speed springs. So those are the same springs that were in the Sloppy Mechanics 8s for 8 build. F-body oil pan, and there's him going through the heads and adding the springs. There's the Riverdale speed springs, and there's the motor pretty much ready to go in the car. So he was able to keep the power steering and air conditioning. So he says right now he doesn't have the air conditioning hooked up, but it does have the compressor, and everything is pretty much ready to go for it. TH400 with a PTC converter, reused the factory cross member, did add some, looks like 1-inch square tubing on there to hook up to the GM trans mount, and he was able to use the factory Supra drive shaft. He just had to change the U-joint. So going through here and using the truck manifold, so the build does have a little bit of a sloppy touch to it, so that's pretty cool, getting everything to work. There's the VS Racing 80mm turbo, big boy, and got everything to fit in there pretty nicely. Bunch of pie cuts in there to kind of tuck the thing around the head. Front crossover, clears everything pretty well. Looks like there is the turbo oil drain right around the AC compressor into the front cover. Then wrapping everything up so you can't even tell it's a truck manifold. Pretty nice. So it has a single 450 right now. He's going to be upgrading. He's shooting for about 900, so he's going to have to upgrade the fuel system, but he's planning on doing all that in a little bit. Terminator X, there's the PTC converter. He's using the big boy NASCAR spark plug wires, and there it is, all beautiful and done. So they were able to get the hood to clear, so hood fits. Right-hand drive Supra, and just a very beautiful car. So go check the YouTube channel out, Petrie Performance, and I'm subscribed already and excited to see what else he has for this thing.